to read the problem.
Students, is read the problem.
All together.
All together.
Maria had 153 angels in her album. There are 12 songs in each page. She gave 63 songs to her friends. How many songs were left?
Okay. Thank you for reading the problem. If you're going to solve the problem, what are you going to do?
We don't know what's the given first, sir.
Huwag mo
You have to follow your steps in solving the problem. Identify first the given, di ba? So yun maglumpat kaya sa letter C nga, what's the operation to be used? Kasi mo lesson plan, the lesson plan mo na. Malumpat ka, okay, start.
What are the given in this problem? Who can give?
153 pages ko na, sir.
153 pages.
This is the first given. The second is
There are 12
songs.
The first so what is the line that you have indicated there, sir? Minus sign. It's a colon.
It represents that this is the first given that can get.
Seven. The 63 stump. Stump, sir. With S.
And what is up in this problem? You must just copy this.
Number of stumps left. 8 stumps left na lang. Short.
By the way, what are the operations to be used in this? You can get what are the operations to be used in this problem.
So what
Ang
you're
amon
going to
medyo nga katutong-tutong kaayo.
Yeah.
Si Buddy nga tisoy naga-report. Excited ang tanan mamati. Iya report Ilonggo with English together with Tagalog, man.
Operation to be used.
Tanawa ito. Eh, ka tripping lang sa tunga. Nakapaping siguro na.
Buddy, who told you?
The operation to be used is
Tripping.
Thank you for this is the answer notification. Now, the operation is you must get the 1,836. You must subtract to 63. Pag-subtract na pag do the person is of course dahil. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the answer. Number 6, you must write the final answer. And the final answer is
1,720. Go, sir.
thank you very much.
Do not erase. You get that the problem. Do not erase. I will still use that. You're going to write there in the opposite side. Right. Dito kasi ako. Oh, isang pawilan nga.
I have here another sample, and who can perform by the way, please read the problem. Thank you for answering the problem. By the way, how do we analyze the two-step word problem involving multiplication and any of addition and subtraction? Any of you can...
Sir.
Yes.
Any problem?
Any problem that may so
So operation to be used.
So, any can answer, how do I analyze the two-step word problem involving multiplication and any of
Word problem involving multiplication and any of addition and subtraction, we should always remember to read and understand, plan, solve, and look back to check the answer, and also by following the steps.
Thank you very
Right,
much.
sir?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And now, we have here a short activity. Please, students ng